Hello and welcome to Willena Crochets. This is my first yarn unboxing and I chose to use ice yarns for this unboxing. The reason is it took me a while to purchase yarn from Ice Yarns because when you purchase yarns from Ice Yarns you have to buy in bulk. So it might tell you like the price could be $3.99, $1.99 or $2.99 for yarn, but you have to buy the whole package. So this was a little different for me because normally I just buy one ball of yarn and mix and match. So when I purchased this yarn from Ice Yarns, I decided that I would stick mostly with one color theme. The color theme is Tiger Lily, orange, tangerine, so that I wouldn't overbuy on this yarn. The thing about Ice Yarns is it's coming from overseas, from Turkey, and you have to make sure when you purchase the yarn, you check the shipping and handling. Normally, the shipping and handling will be really reasonable, but because it's coming from overseas, it usually matches the purchase of your yarn. So it took me a while to order this yarn because I had to take some out, put some in, because I didn't want to order so much yarn. You know, I want to stay in a certain price range, and then you have to make sure you're not paying more shipping and handling than you are for the yarn. So that took a while to balance. I think I've had stuff sitting in there for 2 months, and I just waited. I wanted to do this because I saw other channels that had purchased yarn from Ice Yarns, and I wanted to get the yarn to see how it was. I basically loved the yarn, and it turned out really nice. The colors that I got in the yarn, I was pretty happy with what I got. So I will share with you some of the things that I purchased. So for example, one ball might have been $1.99, but you had to buy 8 of them to get the yarn. So it's reasonable for 1 and for 8, but I usually don't crochet with all the same colors, so I'm gonna have to mix and match and probably add some to my collection, which I have no problem doing. So let me show you some of the yarns that I got. I got this one, which is 20% Angora, and it's mixed with wool and acrylic. I bought some metallic yarn, and I think 8 came in the package with this one. This is nice. It's nice and glittery. I love metallic yarn. So whenever I can get a chance, I purchase it because you can't always find the yarn. Here are some cotton yarns, but I know this is not in the color scheme, but I love the blue and the gold. I purchased some cotton yarn, and so it comes 8 in a ball. But I think the whole bag was like $2.99, so you couldn't pass it up. So I've got this in orange or peach, a blue color, a rust to go with my color scheme, and a burgundy. I'm so happy I got a burgundy. After seeing Michelle Obama in her outfit for the inauguration, I just fell in love with the colors, so I'm glad I have a good start. Here's another one that has a mixture of variegated yarn, which is a cotton color. So 2 came in the bag with that. I purchased some boucle yarn. I purchased in the orange and the white, and then I have like a red and brown. Purchased this ruffle yarn, and you couldn't pass it up. It was like 99 cents for 4 of them. So that's how you get hooked when you're purchasing yarn from Ice Yarns, because the price is so reasonable. By the time you look, you have so much yarn in your cart that you're like, I have to eliminate, because the price might seem reasonable, but once you add that shipping and handling, the price skyrockets. So you have to take your time. There's no rush. The yarn is usually there. So I snuck this in for 99 cents. I purchased some cotton yarns to make some summer tops. And of course I had to get my fur yarn. So I got this color. As you can see, the strand, it's like a double strand. And then I had to get the really bulky fur one. So I got 2 of these. I also got this mohair type yarn, which is mixed with acrylic. But as you can see, it has a little halo. And this yarn here is a bulky yarn that has a little twist to it. So you got 2 of these in the package, which is more to my liking because I can use 2 as opposed to 6. So I guess if I order again, I'll stick to packages of 2. But I was so excited to order the yarn that I went a little overboard. But it's okay. I'll use the yarn sooner or later. So the last 2 yarns that I purchased were baby yarns. I have this Baby Cakes Fine yarn, which is acrylic. And it comes in the same color scheme that I'm working with the light oranges. And then I have this last one, which is a baby fur yarn. So it gives you a terry cloth look when you're done, which is nice and soft. So I'm looking forward to using this yarn. I was so excited to order the yarn from Ice Yarns, and it'll probably be a while before I order some more. I can't wait to use it, and I will show you the designs when I complete them. Thank you for watching this yarn unboxing, which was a little unconventional. I just wanted to share with you the yarns that I received, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel.